Hello everyone, good evening, welcome to the channel of Kritika. Kritika ka channel hai ye and I am trying to help her obviously. So welcome to the English classes. Basically I am going to launch a English course from K10 level, okay, like 4 to 10 grade, okay. If anyone is interested from the basic level of English, okay, so like vocabulary, pronunciation, everything we will be discussing. And in today's class, that video I am going to show how some words are mispronounced and how we can pronounce in a right and appropriate way. Okay, so my first word is basically same derived from pronounce is, हम कहते हैं ना उसकी pronunciation अच्छी नहीं है. So what is the correct pronunciation? The correct pronunciation word to say is pronunciation. Right everyone? So the correct way to speak something, that girl has good pronunciation. Okay? Alright, that means to say that girl is good in English. इस तरह से हमें words use करने हैं. And the second word we have is she, he या कोई भी, he says. हम बोलते हैं ना says, उसने ऐसा कहा, says. But exactly how to pronounce that word says is says. 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 He says. She says. Like that way. उसने ऐसा कहा. And the third word we have to in this basically is often. हम बोलते हैं off, right? Often. How to pronounce that word in a right and appropriate way? कभी कभी, कभी कभी बोल सकते हैं often, या फिर हम बोल सकते हैं ज़्यादातर उस word का, right? So that exactly pronunciation of that word is often. Often. When that we have a T, O-F-T-E-N. T है उसके अंदर जो, वो है silent है. So stress हमें देना है O-F-T-E-N पे, often. O-F-E-N पे ज़्यादा हमें focus देना है, stress देना है. T को भूल जाना है. T इसमें silent पे है. Okay? Often. Alright. And इस चीज़ का और another word we have is like अगर हम बात करते हैं कि often भी गलत नहीं है. Often is in American accent ज़्यादातर, but I'll suggest you to use that word often, better word, okay, to speak that word and use that word often. And another word I have is like अगर हम बात करते हैं vegetables, fruits, सारा सामान लेकर आना market से, take everything from the market. And we are writing potato, tomato, capsicum, etc. Right? We use that word, and many more. Etc. is the word kind of a way that we can use. Etc. Not etc. 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 We'll pronounce that word etc. dot is etc. The next word we have is हम बोलते हैं औरत, women. W-O-M-E-N. बहुत सारी महिलाएं, right? So we will pronounce that word women. 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 Not woman. Women. Women. That is the correct way of pronunciation. More and more women. So these are exactly 5 words are there we have, okay? So these 5 words, if you are having helpful in that, you can let me know. And you can, what is the important way to practice these words in regular and usual life? We will begin with the course step by step. You need to maintain the patience. English improve करना एक दिन का काम या एक रात का काम नहीं है. It will take some time. So take a notebook and make a notebook along with my classes and a course, okay? And इस चीज़ के लिए like take a notebook and proper pen and pencil so that you can use an appropriate words for that as well. Write. I'll try to keep and put a video based on these words, and then I'll move to the course. in June specifically. Okay, so it will be a paid course, everyone, for from grade 4 to 10 level. Interested can put a comment on that. Okay, and एक word और मुझे याद आया आपको बताने के लिए, that is itself, हम बोलते हैं ना likes comments जरूर करना. So what is the appropriate word to say with that is comment, not comment, comment. So it's that we have a, okay, इसका मतलब होता है कि कुछ भी comment करना किसी को भी. So that we have a comment, the appropriate and right word to speak with that. Okay, so everyone, this will be the paid course that I'm telling you, the speaking course, writing course, and in that we'll have a beginning course with the students from grade 4 to 10. After that we will be launching a like for everyone, those who are facing for the like jobs and everyone, speaking course will be there. But यहाँ से मैं basic start करूँगी English का, and I will be introducing the initial part of my course with tenses. So आपको अपनी notebook, पेंसिल साथ रखनी है, क्या टेंस पढ़ाया जा रहा है, प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, एंड किस तरह से हमें रिलेट करने हैं सेंटेंसेस, और किस तरह से हमें इंट्रोडक्शन में क्या यूज करना है टेंस का, किस तरह की वर्ब अप्लाई करनी है, क्या सेंटेंस को किस आईएनजी कहाँ लगेगा, कौन सी वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म, थर्ड फॉर्म एंड सेकेंड फॉर्म लगेगी. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द टेंस एग्जैक्टली. सो इस तरह से कोर्स होगा स्पेसिफिकली हमारा मिलके, कृतिका और मेरा मिलके होगा यूजुअली. सो इफ यू वांट to join that course in June, interested can please ping or write a comment over below comment section. So you can write your name and the details so that we can collect the opinion regarding yours. So this will be, if you like this video, definitely share, subscribe and forward this to friends, your more over friends over there, and we'll be posting more and more good comment over in that video, and so that content अच्छा लेकर आए हम English के लिए regarding that. Okay, so that it will be helpful for you as well. Okay, all right, thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Bye bye. Thank you.